Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and insights on how to improve your life and achieve your goals. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 ways to become a great decision maker at the age of 30. Decision making is a crucial skill that can affect your personal and professional success. Whether you're choosing a career path, a partner, or a place to live, you want to make the best choices possible. But how can you do that? How can you avoid common pitfalls and biases that can cloud your judgment? How can you become more confident and effective in your decisions? Here are 3 ways to become a great decision maker at the age of 30. First way, know yourself. The first step to making good decisions is to understand your own personality, preferences, values, and goals. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? What are you afraid of? What are you willing to compromise on? Knowing yourself can help you narrow down your options and choose the ones that align with your true self. You can also use tools like personality tests, journaling, or feedback from others to gain more insight into yourself. Second way, seek information. The second step to making good decisions is to gather relevant and reliable information. You can't make a good decision if you don't have enough data or if you have inaccurate or biased data. You need to do your research, ask questions, and seek advice from experts or people who have experience in the area you're deciding on. You can also use tools like online reviews, ratings, or comparisons to evaluate your options objectively. Third way, evaluate alternatives. The third step to making good decisions is to weigh the pros and cons of each option. You need to consider the benefits and costs, the risks and rewards, and the short-term and long-term consequences of each option. You also need to factor in your emotions, intuition, and gut feelings, as they can sometimes guide you to the best decision. You can use tools like lists, charts, or matrices to organize and visualize your alternatives. These are the 3 ways to become a great decision maker at the age of 30. By knowing yourself, seeking information, and evaluating alternatives, you can make smart and informed choices that will lead you to your desired outcomes. Remember, decision-making is a skill that you can improve with practice and experience. So don't be afraid to make mistakes, learn from them, and keep improving. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think. See you next time.